today's video, I'm going to be filming a video where I try on everything in my closet. So let's just get on into the video. It literally took me 4 hours to film, so just stay tuned. These white brandy tops are just such like essentials, so I will definitely be keeping them. I definitely recommend that you guys just get some basic pieces for your closet. This isn't the most aesthetically pleasing shirt, but it's a camp shirt, so we gotta keep it. Okay, so my neighbor got me this shirt and I think it's so sweet and I really appreciate it, but it's totally not my style, so I haven't worn it once. I also want to mention that everything in my closet that I could find the links to will be linked in the description. I love these shirts from Comfort Colors because they're super soft and like already worn in for you. I love the style of this top from Brandy, but I've really outgrown the purple. I got this shirt from Levi's for free because they include a shirt with their jeans. And this by far is my favorite Brandy sweater. Like, I literally eyed this for months, so I'm definitely not going to sell it soon. This Nike tee isn't super cute, but it's pretty flattering and I love wearing it. I fall in love. I literally own so many sweaters like this. I have a ton from like Princess Polly. Most of my sweaters are from Princess Polly, and honestly just a lot of my clothes. I like just got this crew neck from Hanes because it was like $5, but I don't even wear it, so it was kind of a stupid purchase. I wore this sweater so much in the fall and I got a lot of compliments on it, so I think I'm gonna keep it. It's kind of sad that the metric of me wanting to keep something is based off of the compliments, but like, people don't be wrong. I really like these Next like basic black and white tops. Like, they are so helpful. This Husky shirt is actually from my club basketball team.
This is America. Don't catch you slipping, no. Don't catch you slipping.
Now let's move on to the hoodies. This gray hoodie is by far the best quality hoodie that I own. It's from Aritzia and it was like $80, which is pretty expensive for a hoodie. But guys, it is so worth it. I wear this all the time, and even when you wash it, it doesn't get all those fuzzies in it. This next one was from my camp. I actually ended up selling it just because I kind of got sick of it, and I don't know, I just wasn't wearing it at all, but it is extremely cute. And you guys can follow my Depop because I'm selling some stuff over there. I know I have so many gray hoodies, but I love this Brandy Melville Malibu hoodie. Like, it is so comfortable. This next hoodie is a hoodie that I got from my friend's church. It's not the most aesthetically pleasing in my opinion, but I love the meaning. And it has a crown on the hood. This is my merch. It was limited edition, so I'm not selling it anymore. I also have this like Lululemon activewear hoodie. I wear this a lot at school, but I don't really wear it at home because I'd rather wear more comfy hoodies. Before we get on into the bottoms, make sure to turn on your notification bell because you'll never miss any of my uploads. And follow my Instagram because I post a ton of things about fashion on there. If you're like me and you've watched many Princess Polly hauls, you've definitely seen this skirt. It's super popular over the website. I really like it. It's a bit see-through at the top. I haven't worn this one a ton because it's just not super practical for every day, but it's definitely something I would wear while traveling. This skirt is also from Princess Polly. It's pretty good quality, but it just looks really unflattering on me since I don't have a flat stomach. I love this skirt. It's like a picnic type skirt. And then I have a skirt from Brandy Melville. Okay, this skirt looks like a rug, but I really like the style. This skirt is probably my favorite at the moment. It's very beachy and it's super comfortable. Like, I could wear this every day. Now let's move on to my pants. I'm not going to be showing shorts in this video because most of my shorts are like for sports and I don't have many jean shorts. I'm literally wearing these Brandy sweats while I'm editing right now. They're so freaking comfy. These are actually my favorite sweatpants and I really recommend them. Don't ask me why I got white sweatpants. And then I have my classic Levi's ribcage jeans. If you're gonna get any pair of jeans, get these. They just really flatter my body. I have these jeans from American Eagle. They're just like skinny jeans, and I haven't really been wearing them recently because mom jeans are definitely what's trending right now. I have these pants from Princess Polly. It's broken off a little bit, as you can see over here. I love Princess Polly, but a few of the items can be a hit or miss. And I'm also just way too short for these pants. Then I have these sweatpants from Aerie. They like have really pilled and stuff. I think I'm gonna like give them away or something. I just never reach for them. Then I have these white skinny jeans from American Eagle. I feel like this one's too small for me, so I don't know. These jeans are from Revice. People always ask me where I get them every single time I wear them, so I definitely recommend that you guys get these jeans. Like, you will get compliments every time you wear them. Then I have my basic Lululemon black leggings. Not much to say about these. I've had them since 6th grade and they've been such a go-to. Now let's move on to the dresses. My favorite part. I may or may not have bought this right away after hearing Ava Jules talk about it in her vlogs, but I do not regret it. It's super comfy and I wear it all the time. Here are all the Princess Polly pieces my mom judges me for. I love this dress so much, but sadly it just doesn't fit me. This dress I always wear to any like more formal events. It's just super easy to throw on and I love the way it fits me. I look like a pilgrim in this dress, so I don't understand why people like it, but I've just kept it because people think it's so cute. I really should stop listening to other people's opinions. I got this dress in Greece when I was like 12, but I love it for the memories. So before I end today's video, I am in desperate need of your guys' help. This video is pretty short and I've been having this issue lately where I'm trying to make better quality content, but it ends up just being shorter. So please leave your thoughts in the comments down below, like quality over quantity or just any feedback you have for me. I've been really confused about it. I love you all so much and I'll see you guys in the next one.